Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about how to launch and administer a Windows Server 2012 R2 instance on an AWS EC2. The Amazon EC2 web server platform provides secure and scalable cloud hosting for website or mobile applications. The Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is made to help developers scale their web services to levels of corporate enterprise domain traffic. The AWS Cloud Computing Platform offers thousands of tools to developers to make new technology more accessible. Configure Windows Amazon EC2 instance. Log into AWS console and navigate to Services. On the Compute listing, click on EC2. First, on the Create Instance tab, click on Launch Instance. Select the operating system of the EC2 instance by choosing of the Amazon machine image AMI. Select the Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2 base image for this server. Choose the type of instance depending on your requirements and click on Review and Launch. Each AWS EC2 instance requires a default VPC to be created. To create a new VPC, navigate to Services, Networking and Content Delivery and click on VPC. Next, create a default VPC. Click on Create. Configure EC2 instance details as per requirements of your environment. Select default VPC and IAM rule that is required to launch the EC2 instance. Review and launch. Provision storage. Add a new volume. F2 drives is required. Assign tags. Tags assist an easier identification and classification of the various instances in your AWS environment. Click on Review and Launch. Create a security. A security group allows configuring firewall rules to allow traffic as needed. Only one rule has been added to allow remote desktop connection. Security group name, Launch Wizard 1, description. Click on Review and Launch. Review and confirm the configuration of the instance. Click on the Edit button on each configuration item to make changes. Select Choose an existing to add a key pair exist known as. Select from the drop-down list. Click on Launch Instances to complete the configuration and start the EC2 instance. Your instances are now launching. To view the EC2 instance created, click on View Instances. Verify the Windows Server R2 instance created is now ready to use. Take note of the public DNS as we shall use it to connect to the instance using the remote desktop connection. Connect to your EC2 instance. After your EC2 instance is launched, you can connect to it using the remote desktop connection. Navigate to Service. Under Instances, choose Windows Server 2012 R2 instance. Click Connect. Click on Get Password. Choose File. Click on Decrypt Password. Note down the password shown on the screen. Password. Click Download Remote Desktop File. Open EC2 to launch RDP session to EC2 instance. Ignore the warning publisher message and click Connect. Your RDP connection client application map prompt you for a username and password. Username should be the domain name Type password and click on OK. Ignore the warning on the identity of the remote and click on Yes. When connected, the desktop Windows Server 2012 or 2 EC2 instance is displayed. Configure the Windows instance as per requirement. Sign out of the running Amazon EC2 instance. Terminate the instance if not in use to avoid incurring charges. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.